Cool Catfish nameplate version.
What are you looking at? Got any worms? And you think you got it bad? Pork, the other white meat. How about a game of Go Fish? You can tell by the way that was bad in the bone. Bad in the bone. Bad in the bone. Come on, buddy. Help me get out of here. Excuse me. I must have eaten a bad worm. Don't look at me that way. Something smells fishy around here. You can tune a piano, but you can't tune a fish. What's the matter? You've never seen a talking fish before? Holy mackerel! I'm just here for the hell of it. Hey, drop me a line sometime. Pork, the other white meat. I'm busting out of here tonight. You with me? You can tell by the way that was bad in the bone. Bad in the bone. Bad in the bone. What'd you expect? A meow? Where's the beef? Is this my 15 minutes of fame? Can we talk? Oh, you never heard of catch and release? Excuse me. I must have eaten a bad worm.
And that was the Cool Catfish nameplate version from Gemmy Industries.